Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Okay, quick question for you. Did you know the average professional spends, get this, over a month every single year just doing repetitive spreadsheet formatting? I mean, wow, right? That's a staggering amount of lost time, literally an entire month. But today we've got an absolutely incredible topic that is going to completely transform how you handle those boring everyday tasks. We're looking at a totally brilliant new series from the ROA channel, and it promises to basically revolutionize your workflow by teaching you how to put those manual tasks on autopilot. I'm super excited, so let's get right into it.
Moving into Section 1, we have the automation dream, escaping manual spreadsheet labor. Okay, let's dive into this. We all know the absolute reality of that daily admin struggle, right? The endless copying, the pasting, the tweaking, it's exhausting. So I gotta ask, have you ever wished Google Sheets could do more? The Road channel actually kicks off their series with this exact prompt because, well, it taps instantly into that shared frustration we've all felt. We've all been there, doing the exact same manual data entry we did yesterday, just kind of praying the software was smart enough to handle it behind the scenes for us. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what we're talking about. Just imagine your spreadsheets acting like your own personal assistant. Instead of just sitting there holding data, imagine them automatically emailing a weekly sales summary to your whole team every Friday at 5 p.m. sharp. Or picture the system just generating these beautiful, comprehensive PDF reports without you having to lift a single finger. Or seamlessly updating CRM data in real time. Look, these aren't just pipe dreams, okay? These are the actual specific capabilities ROA promises you can absolutely master to get those lost hours back.
Now, on to Section 2. Meet Google AppScript, the ultimate solution to repetitive tasks. So, to make all these crazy automation dreams a reality, we need a secret weapon. And that magic weapon is Google AppScript. Seriously, it's a total game changer. We want to completely move away from the heavy burden of lost time. Those soul-crushing hours spent clicking the exact same cells over and over until your eyes cross. Google AppScript automation is basically the key to unlocking a totally new, totally effortless workflow. It replaces all that manual struggle with lightning-fast efficiency. It shifts you entirely away from that tedious repetition and puts the whole shebang right on autopilot. All right, Section 3. The learning journey, from zero to advanced master. Let's move to and see how this builds. Because having a powerful tool is one thing, but actually learning how to use it, that's a whole different story. But don't worry, the ROA series maps out a really clear, logical progression. Step 1, you start as an absolute beginner. Literally no assumed knowledge here. But here's the crucial bridge at Step 2, practical, real-world examples. Instead of just sitting through abstract theory or dense jargon that puts you to sleep, you're actually going to use usable, tangible scripts to build your skills from day one. And that practical application instantly propels you right up to Step 3, an advanced level where you're the one fully controlling your own automated workflows. Which brings us to Section 4, no experience required, breaking down the coding wall.
Now, I know what some of you are probably thinking. You hear the word script, and immediately your brain goes, oh, great, I need a computer science degree to pull this off. Let's address that elephant in the room right now with ROA's absolute golden rule. So the crucial point is, if you can use Google Sheets, you can learn AppScript. I absolutely love that. It's such an empowering and memorable statement, isn't it? If you know how to navigate basic rows, columns, maybe a few basic functions, you already have the exact foundation you need. You are completely capable of mastering this, for sure.
To wrap up this explainer, if you are genuinely ready to reclaim your time and totally transform your workflows, ROA's call to action is super simple. Go ahead and subscribe to their YouTube channel for way more videos in this incredible AppScript series. But before we go, I really want to leave you with this final provocative question to chew on. Will you keep doing the repetitive work, or will you let the script do it for you?
All right, let's just dive right in. Today, we're demystifying Google AppScript. It's this incredibly powerful tool that's just sitting there quietly in the background of your daily workflow, literally just waiting to make your life infinitely easier. Seriously though, are you tired of doing the exact same repetitive work manually? I mean, just think about a typical Tuesday morning, right? You're copying data from an email into a spreadsheet, or maybe you're generating the exact same document format week after week. It just eats up so much valuable time. Time that honestly should be spent on the creative, strategic stuff that actually drives results.
So let's meet our automated solution, Google AppScript.
At its absolute core, it's a cloud-based programming language developed directly by Google. And the real beauty here? It's the infrastructure. There is literally nothing to install or configure on your laptop. The whole shebang executes entirely in your browser, leveraging Google's massive servers to just run your automations totally seamlessly in the background. Next up, let's take a look at the Workspace Playground, which is exactly where this operates.
The sheer scale of its reach is actually what makes it a real game changer. It doesn't just live in some isolated silo, it connects natively across all the major workspace apps. We're talking Google Sheets, Docs, Forms, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and even Slides. Like, imagine this workflow for a second. You get a new Google Form response, and it automatically triggers a custom email in Gmail, drafts a client letter in Docs, and logs a follow-up in Calendar. They're all just talking to one another instantly.
So we're looking at a pretty stark contrast in how we work here. You've got the old way, which is just endless manual pointing, clicking, and, well, those inevitable human errors that creep in when you're just fatigued from repetition. Then you've got the new way. This relies on AppScript to execute your specific instructions flawlessly. It basically replaces all that manual grinding with automatic, immediate action.
Which brings us to the ultimate takeaway, having your own 24/7 personal assistant.
Honestly, the best way to think of AppScript is just like a personal assistant that works 24 hours a day right inside your Google account. It doesn't need to sleep, it definitely doesn't take lunch breaks, and it never ever gets bored. It's basically a dedicated, round-the-clock digital employee making absolutely sure your files and data are perfectly managed. So take a really close look at your own daily workflows. What repetitive task is your new assistant going to automate first? Is it going to be sorting out that crazy busy inbox? Maybe formatting a massive weekly spreadsheet, or even generating those monthly slide presentations. The capabilities are quite literally sitting right there in your account, just waiting for you to put them to work. So, what are you going to automate first?